Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share with you guys how I cut my wigs into bobs. So this is especially an amazing, I don't know how to call it a trick, but when you have like an old wig that you want to just spice up and refresh, you could cut it into a blunt bob and color it and it will look like a whole new wig. So let's go ahead and get started. So here are some of the things you're going to need. First, of course, you're gonna need a wig. Mine is from OmgHerHair and they're actually having a spring sale where you get 35% off. And on top of that, I have a code which I'm gonna put in the description box down below where you get an extra $10 off. So check it out. And this is a bob wig, although it came quite long, so that's why I'm using it to do the DIY blunt bob. But the hairline looks really good. I already cut the lace and I don't know if you guys can see, but the hairline is really natural. So all the details for the hair are going to be in the description box down below. And this is the color. It's like a beautiful brown color, but then like it's not over the top. So if you want color but you don't want it to be like over the top, then you can go for this wig. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and wear the wig. I'm not installing it, I'm just wearing it so that we can cut it. I feel like blunt bobs go really well with a mid part. So I'm gonna try and wear it the way I wear it when I cut it, because you don't want to wear it in a way that, you know, it's not sitting right and then you end up getting one side longer than the other. Okay, so as you guys can see, this is long and I want mine to be quite short. And by the way, you can do this blunt bob with any length of wig that you have. It could literally be reaching your waist and this would still work. So now I'm gonna take my little hair bands and I'm gonna tie the hair in the exact area I want to cut. And I've split the hair up into two. So I'm trying to make the hair bands even so that the bob is even, and just putting it at the length where I actually want it, which is about there, shoulder length, or actually I don't know, neck length but yeah, so that's where it's gonna reach like that. And now we're gonna cut and just cut right at the base of the hairband. There we go. One side done. Trying to see if it's even at the back. I think so. Next side. Okay. The hairband actually cut. Uh-oh, this side isn't even. We need to even this side out. Okay, so this is how we're looking. I've tried to even it out as much as possible, but actually this side really does not look even at all. So I would say use a tighter hairband, because that's what has gotten me here. Hairband was not tight enough, because this side looks so good, and then this side, anyway, I'm just gonna take my flat iron and I'm gonna fix this side by just flat ironing it. Yes. So if you make any mistakes, and you probably will, just use your flat iron to curl the top hair over the other hair, and it will kind of even it out quite well. So I now want to make this part flat, because right now it's like a bit bumpy. So I'm gonna use a bit of, this is Restoring Argan Oil by TCB Naturals, and I'm just gonna put some on the base of the hair. And I'm gonna put a bit of water as well. Okay, so this is how I usually get now the wig at the top to lie flat, because you don't want it to be bumpy. This is a flat iron, and I'm just gonna press it on the wet hair that has some oil. So of course you can apply heat on this hair. Don't burn yourself. This one, I have burnt myself many a time doing this. But that is, I love, oh my god, I really like how it looks. It's definitely a more mature hairstyle, which means it's gonna make you look a little bit older. So this is really giving me like corporate mature vibes, but I actually really like it. I've done this to a couple of my wigs, but none that have this color. So I like the spiciness that this color brings. But now you guys know, if you have a wig that is old, or you just don't feel it anymore, then you can just go ahead and cut it, even color it, and yeah, you'll have yourself a whole brand new look and a whole brand new wig. Thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you so much to OmgHerHair for partnering up with me on this video. Like I said, all the info for this hair is in the description box down below, so check it out. They have a spring sale where wigs are 35% off, and then over and above that, I have a code for you guys. I think I have hair everywhere, right? Yeah, I have a code for you guys, so if you follow that code, or if you use that code, then you will get yourself $10, an extra $10 off. And their wigs are really affordable, by the way, very affordable. And with a 35% off, guys. Okay, thank you guys for watching.